So, what was our hunt today? Where are we now?
Still at Lowe's. Pretty quick trip. Towel bars, toilet paper ring, washing machine box to replace the one that's there. I've got to replace a little. I've got to sweat some new fittings for the hot and cold water on the box. Got a couple of toilet rings because we're going to have to pull both toilets to do some floor work. Got some soldering kit. Got a little Schedule 40 to. I have to cut the pipe to put that new box in. Got a ceiling fan with a remote so we can have that in the bedroom. New faucet for the bathroom sink. I'm going to probably end up having to recycle or use the top that's there for now until we figure something else out. So, and I think that's about it. Oh, some electrical outlet covers for today.
So, how is it you are such a handyman?
Well, I used to own and manage about 20 to 30 of my own units. I built my own house, and I like doing this stuff. So
It's like being a kid in a candy store.
it is. It's a dangerous candy store.
And they have no like benches for wives to sit and wait.
Well, let's go then.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yep.
All right.